guys, welcome to day 19 of the 28 days data science AI Gen AI challenge. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting neural network called GAN. It's a GAN model. Okay, the full form of the GAN is Generative Adversarial Networks. Okay, so we have seen one neural network every time when we had work in ANN, CNN, RNN. Today I'm going to talk about a model which technically works on two neural networks. Okay, so it's me again, Mahesh, having 14 years of experience in data as a data architect, data engineer, data scientist, data trainer, right? So let's deep dive. What is exactly GAN? Okay, so GAN is nothing but it's kind of a unsupervised kind of model, but what it does is that I have put forward a very interesting series of fuzzing where what happens is that there is a creator who creates fake money and there's a detective who understands or detects what is fake. Okay, so in the same metaphor, right, I can go ahead and try to explain what exactly the GAN does, right? As I've shared, it is one of the machine learning framework, right, where it technically designs new data, okay, new data samples. So what is the application of that? I'll explain it later, but try to understand this. So technically, right, it has two kinds of neural network, where one neural network which generates new synthesized data, for instance, and the other neural network technically it evaluates this generated data, is it authentic or is not authentic. Okay, I'll try to put forward with an example. So till now what we have done is we have understood normal models. What are the normal models? So a normal model would consist of an input, right? There would be a model and there would be an output, correct? And what happens is that if the output is not proper, we technically go ahead and update the model and make the output better and better. But in GAN model, what happens is that there are two kind of models. There is one model which creates data. In the given example, it creates images, okay? And there is one model which has been trained in few of the real images, okay? Then when this image comes, it detects whether this is a real image or whether it's a fake image. Okay, so now what happens is that if discriminator understands it is fake, right, so what happens is that the generator model goes back and tries to improve the model to make a better image so that the discriminator doesn't understand. Okay, if generator is able to create a model or create an image which is able to which the descriptor is not able to understand whether it's a fake or real, then technically the discriminator has to go back and tries to make the model better and better. Okay, so it's a kind of pull and pressure between the two models. Okay, so just a very quick recap. So generator is nothing but a creator which technically takes a random input and try to create a realistic output of it and try to fool the discriminator. Okay, on the other hand, discriminator has data inputs, receives the real and the fake data. It has the real and fake data and try to distinguish between the real and what is a fake, and then it gives a feedback to the generator whether it's saying that whether it's a real image or it's a fake image. Simple. Okay, if you understand this, then you will understand how it is being optimized. So because we have two different models, the way of optimizing or of loss function is a bit different. The generator technically tries to create or make sure it's maximize the discriminator mistakes. Okay, it will try to create fake and try to make sure that it is able to bypass it and accept by the discriminator. On the other hand, discriminator loss is making sure that minimize the classification error what the generator is creating. Okay, now what are the applications? One application is that if you have a very bad image, right, you can give that bad image and try to make that image of a better quality with the help of the GAN model. The medical imaging is also a very good example, because what happens is that there are a lot of various diseases where we don't have a lot of data about it. Okay, so based on the limited data set, we can actually create a user generated model to create much more data set, which can be used later for better predictions and all. Okay, and data augmentations kind of stuff. So there are multiple applications of this GAN model. Okay, so I will take a pause here. If you have any questions till here, make sure that you can ask, right? And I will show you the code part in the next day. Okay, thank you.
If you have reached till here, it means that you have finished the video. Thanks for watching and being part of the 28 Data Science Challenge. Your support, engagement, and enthusiasm make this journey even more exciting for me. If you found this valuable, drop a comment, share your insight, and tag a friend who should join us. Let's keep learning, building, and growing together in the AI and AI space. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next challenging stuff what is going to come tomorrow. Because we have just started and it's going to get better and better as we go.